Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be creating a very minimal look using only 5 products. So this look is very suitable for everyday use and it really looks very nice, fresh and soothing. So without wasting any further time, let's begin the video. First of all, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer to hide my dark circles, pigmentation and any sort of discoloration which is there around my nose and mouth. And I also don't think that you all really need foundation for everyday purpose. So after this, I will blend the concealer using a damped beauty sponge, and remember, tap gently and don't just rub it. I will also blend the concealer slightly all over my face so that it looks more natural without taking any extra product. And also definitely don't forget your neck and your ears. So for this look, the second product is going to be an eyebrow pencil, and here I'm using the Color Bar eyebrow pencil to fill in my eyebrows. And let me say you that I'm a brow person as I have a very thin brows, and defining the brows completely changes and enhances my facial structure. Firstly, I'm going to brush my brow hair upwards using the pulley which is there on one side of the pencil, and then I will start filling in, and then again I will blend it very properly using the pulley so that the eyebrow blends in very properly and there is no harsh lines. Just observe both the sides and I really feel that there is a huge difference. After this, my third number product is going to be a lipstick which is from Smashbox, and I'm in the shade Driver's Seat. So today I'm going to show you that how to use one single product in multiple ways. Firstly, I'm going to apply it on my cheeks to get a very soft pink rosy cheeks. I feel that blush is so important because it makes myself more fresh, more awake. Even I'm going to apply the lipstick as an eyeshadow. If you want, you can completely skip it, but I'm just showing you all how to use one single product in multiple ways, which can definitely save our money and time also. And also lastly, definitely I'm going to use lipstick on our lips. The fourth number product is going to be a powder, and for today I'm going to use the Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm in the shade 25 medium Moen. You can absolutely go for any sort of powder, be it a compact powder, loose or translucent one. Just our main reason behind using it is to lock the base and also avoid creasing. I also want to say that it's always better to apply cream or liquid product before applying powder, else your base can be ruined or disturbed. That's why I applied lipstick as blush before applying powder. Last but not the least, the fifth number product is gonna be sure a mascara, and here I'm using the L'Oreal Paris one. You can apply 1 or 2 coat, which completely depends upon you. If you think that you don't want to apply any sort of eyeshadow on your eyes, then if you apply only mascara, that's sufficient to make your eyes look bright and big and awake. So that's it guys, and this is the final look. Hope you like it.